What's up, guys? It's Katie here. Welcome back to my channel. We are making a barbecue chicken quesadilla with a roasted red pepper jalapeno crema. This recipe honestly just takes that quesadilla up a notch from a basic tortilla and cheese. If you want to make it restaurant style quesadilla, also mix in with like nice little Southwest flavor, I got you. Before I begin this recipe, make sure to subscribe to my channel right here for more healthy hacks, more recipes, workouts, and lifestyle tips. Now, let's get to the video. First things first, we're actually gonna start with the roasted red pepper jalapeno crema because this is where it takes a little bit most of the time. Right here, I have all my ingredients laid out. I'm gonna go over them in just a second, but we are going to prepare jalapeno and half of a roasted red pepper. You're gonna wanna de-seed that jalapeno. To be honest, I don't love raw jalapeno taste, but once you roast it, the amazing flavors come out, and I think a roast jalapeno is just so much better in a crema. All I'm using is one jalapeno and half of red pepper. I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of garlic salt. That is it right there. The oven is preheated to 420, and I will roast it for about 15 minutes. Let's get to the quesadilla. Do you guys ever like order at a restaurant sometimes and you're just trying to be funny? I remember when I was like in high school and I thought I was so funny. Hi, can I please get a fajita? And I would like literally say it with a straight face thinking it was the funniest thing in the whole entire world. So we're gonna make a quesadilla today. You are going to need a pepper, doesn't matter what color, I'm using green here for some extra greenery in there, plus I just used my red pepper, red onions, and then also of course some cheese. I'm mixing together some cheddar and then a Mexican shredded cheese. Then I also am just using rotisserie chicken. I think in this instance where you're making a quesadilla, sometimes to like grill the chicken, it's just too many steps. So rotisserie chicken it is, and I actually made this rotisserie chicken myself, but you can buy your own rotisserie chicken. I'm just going to pour a little bit of barbecue sauce in the rotisserie shredded chicken right here. I am using Bloodso's famous Texas barbecue sauce, and so I feel very authentic right now. I really want a good amount of barbecue sauce in this. I want it to have lots of flavor. Perfect. Now, once the barbecue sauce is in the chicken, I'm just gonna finish cutting up this pepper. I have red onions right here, and we are actually gonna saute the red onions and green pepper. I am going to be using these Siete Foods almond flour grain-free tortillas here. And I know sometimes the whole healthified tortillas and stuff, you know, if it gets to you, don't worry about it. Just use regular flour tortillas. But I just like to sometimes be a touch healthier. All right, the onions and pepper are almost fully sauteed, so let's go make our quesadilla. This looks nice, fully sauteed right there. And I'm just gonna set those to the side for right now. Now, to me, there's a huge difference of using oil and butter, and I'm just a butter gal. So get your pan nice and hot. Butter be sizzling. Take one Siete tortilla. You guys know how to frickin' make a quesadilla. A little bit of this cheese. Yes, I'm using my hands, just dig it on in here. Barbecue chicken, those roasted veggies. Then of course, you're gonna top with more cheese. It is going to be a thick quesadilla. You heard it here first. Honestly, I like to put butter in the inside as well on both sides. I'm getting really messy here, just look away. And then flip it on over. This is looking phenomenal, if I do say so myself. Wow, whoa. All right, you guys, quesadilla made. And now for almost the most important step, because this sauce is going to be absolutely incredible. Such a big tray for just like literally the littlest ingredients ever. See how nice and roasted that got? Yeah, baby. Roasted red pepper, roasted jalapeno. Then for the rest of the sauce, you are going to throw in half of a squeeze of lime, garlic powder. I would do like a half teaspoon, and then half teaspoon of salt. And then you want to do Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, 1 cup. Blend it on up, see how it goes, add maybe a tablespoon of water if you need. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I wish you guys could smell this. It's just Wow, it smells so good. If you want to thicken it as well, if you want to do equal parts mayo to Greek yogurt, mayo actually creates that like thicker consistency. Sometimes Greek yogurt is really thinning. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut my quesadilla. Wow, yum. And don't worry, it's still hot. Look how good that looks. I love how the cheese gets crispy on the outside like that. It's like my favorite part. All right, take a little bit of the sauce, pour it on top. Then an avocado. You guys can also make guacamole, but I just am gonna do a little topper of guacamole, a little healthy fat here. Last but not least, some green onions. If you guys know me, I love green onions on literally everything. Little bit more lime juice for fresh flavor. And oh my gosh, a barbecue chicken quesadilla. Super quick, super easy meal, great for lunch or for dinner. This quesadilla slaps. Wow. Needs a little bit more sauce, I will say that. Oh my gosh, you guys. That barbecue chicken flavor with the roasted red pepper crema and the peppers inside. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm just gonna go a full-on dip. Anyways, I'm gonna be here eating this quesadilla, so I'll let you guys go. I love you guys, subscribe to my channel. Mwah. Bye.